Developing and implementing fire protection concepts in modern buildings involves complex tasks for technical designers, installers, and operators. In classical emergency lighting, large buildings are equipped with central battery systems. The safety and emergency exit luminaires are placed in fire compartments and wired without any requirement for functional integrity. Bus substations can be used to reduce cable lengths and cabling costs thanks to a decentralized system structure. The wiring from the central battery system to the individual fire compartments is done in functional integrity. Also, the structural systems for the installation have to meet the requirement for functional integrity. An electrical service room protects the central battery system against fire and unauthorized operation. All emergency luminaires are centrally supplied, controlled, and monitored by the battery system. A failure of the general lighting is detected by the central battery system, and the corresponding safety luminaires are switched on. CPS FUSION technology allows 5 different switching modes in one circuit without use of a bus line. As a result, the wiring effort is considerably reduced and costs are saved.